What's going on YouTube? So today I got a little short content video for y'all today. Got a little car content for y'all. I'll be debadging my tail light emblem on my Dodge Challenger. I'll show y'all how to do that. I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to get that done. These are the items that you will need for this process. You need some glue gun. You get this from Walmart. Some fishing line, a microfiber towel, and a source of heat. I got a blow dryer. Start first by wiping the area off. Now we got it looking like that. You can even see me in there, you know what I'm saying? All right, so now I'm gonna start to apply the heat. I'm gonna start by putting the heat gun on this highest setting. Just making sure I get the heat going on it. At that point, I'm gonna take the fishing line behind the letter. So after the first letter of the light. The whole part of the heat process is to get most of the glue adhesive off while you're doing it. So like when you go back around with the glue gun, you ain't gotta take that much off. I'm just gonna continue that process for the rest of the letters, then I'll be back with y'all. Damn! So now, after we done with that process, I'm gonna begin to use the glue gun. I'm gonna put the link for this down below in the description for that. Like I said, you can just get this at your local Walmart or your local AutoZone. I'm gonna begin by applying a little bit just to the towel. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. Just a little bit on there. Now just begin the process of removing the sticky residue. Here's the finished product. These are letters I removed. Took about 2 minutes. It ain't gonna take long. A little simple process. That thing a little bad. Battery. Man, that's it for this one, man. I'll catch y'all in the next one.